How to clear YouTube search history. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can clear the YouTube search history. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, to clear YouTube search history, you will have to follow some steps. So go to your YouTube account and click on the setting gear. After that, you will have to tap right here on manage all history. After that, you will have to select your account. After that, you can see that this is all of your history on your YouTube. So you can simply just tap right here on the delete. You can choose one of the option from three of them. So you can delete today also, or you can delete all the history of that. So you will have to tap right here on OK, and it will delete all the processes, and it will delete all of your today's history on your YouTube. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.